Hello and welcome to Sarah's Delights. Today I'm going to show you a very easy 3-ingredient Mishti Doi or sweet yogurt recipe. Okay, all you need is 1.5 cups of yogurt. That can be Greek yogurt or natural yogurt. 1.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of condensed milk, and we have saffron here and ground nuts. These are optional as garnishing on top. So first off, put the yogurt into the bowl. Add the milk. Next, add the condensed milk. You need to whisk it all in, mix all the ingredients together and blend it all in until there's a little bit of froth on top. Okay, that's done. Now we need to get a ladle, and this mixture should be enough for 6 cups. Pour it in. Okay, we're all done here. Next step, this is completely optional. I like my yogurt with a bit of nut and saffron on top. So you can grind pistachio nuts and any other nuts you want, and then sprinkle on top. And here is the saffron. This adds to the colour, brings in a lovely colour and taste. So just 1 strand of saffron in each bowl should be enough. Next, you need to cover each bowl with aluminium foil. Okay, they're ready to go into the pan one by one. So once you place them in the pan, pour in some boiled water, not too much, just enough to cover sort of midway. Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to cover up with a lid and set the timer to 10 minutes and put it on the lowest heat and switch off after 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. The Mishti Doi yogurt has been steam cooked. Let's just have a look. Yes, it's beautifully set, but we need to make this a bit more solid by letting it chill and then keep it in the fridge for a couple of hours before serving. It's now chilled and ready to be served. Enjoy. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye.